This video will cover the operation and features available on Apple CarPlay-equipped Indian motorcycles. In order to use Apple CarPlay, you must have the following: an iPhone 5S or later with Lightning cable, iOS version 12 or above, and a Bluetooth headset. This is a safety requirement in order to provide voice controls and must be paired before plugging your phone in. First, power on the bike, but do not turn the engine on. Always connect an approved battery charger to your bike to maintain battery charge. Next, pair your Bluetooth headset with the bike. A list of approved devices can be found at ridecommand.indianmotorcycle.com/en-us/supported-devices. For more information on pairing your headset, refer to your owner's manual or the Help Center website. When the connection is complete, an icon in the upper left corner will appear, showing that the device has been connected. Next, connect the iPhone to the bike with a Lightning cable, using the USB port in the storage compartment. Then, the CarPlay prompt will appear on the iPhone, showing it can now be used. Continue by turning on Allow CarPlay while phone is locked when prompted on your phone. If a prompt doesn't appear, manually select the option by going to Settings, General, CarPlay, and Allow. Then, store the phone and cord in the storage compartment. Once initiated successfully, the CarPlay app will launch automatically upon every bike startup. Tapping the boxes in the lower left corner twice will bring you to the home page. The left half of the CarPlay home screen features the time, phone and Wi-Fi signal, recently used apps, app list button, and the navigation map. The right half of the CarPlay home screen features navigation controls, and music controls featuring the album being currently played, the pause and play button, and skip song button. To view apps on CarPlay, scroll through the pages by swiping left or right, using the arrows at the bottom of the screen, or by using the switch on the back of the left-hand controls. To change the order of the apps, navigate to the Settings app in your phone, and then select the General section, CarPlay section, Display ID, and Customize. From here, you can change app order by holding on to the 3 horizontal bars and dragging the app to a different spot in the list. Apps can be removed from CarPlay by selecting the red negative icon next to the app icon. To add an installed app, press the plus button icon next to the desired app. Third-party CarPlay-supported apps may be downloaded and used within CarPlay. Pressing and holding the App List button on the display will activate Siri. Pressing the Map button under the display will bring you to the native UI maps if navigation was initiated outside of CarPlay. If navigation was initiated within CarPlay, this button will bring you to the CarPlay map. Pressing the phone button always takes the rider to the phone app within CarPlay, as long as CarPlay is active. Tapping the album art on the home page will bring up the music screen and allow access to more controls, such as shuffle, repeat, loop, and more. Pressing the music button will bring the rider to the native UI media screen if the rider was using the native UI before pressing the button. If the rider presses the music button while in the CarPlay screen, the applicable CarPlay app will be displayed. The music source can be changed within CarPlay from the Source tab or CarPlay apps. The left and right hand controls can also be used while in CarPlay. The left hand trigger can be used to navigate on a screen, and the right-hand trigger can be used to make a selection. These can be used to navigate through apps in CarPlay, zoom in and out of maps, and make selections within the message, phone, and music apps by pressing in the menu controls. Play or pause music by using a short press on the pause and play button. Initiate Siri by using a long press on the pause and play button. Go to a previous or next song by pressing left or right. And increase or decrease the volume by pressing up or down. Finally, CarPlay can be deactivated by tapping on the Indian icon on the CarPlay menu, pressing the Settings button under the display, unplugging the phone from the USB port, disconnecting the headset, or by disabling CarPlay on your phone. To do this, navigate to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, Allowed Apps, and then select Disable CarPlay. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.